Hey everyone, it's what's today? Is it 21st today? Yeah. 21st of May, and obviously we're back out in Torrevieja after a EasyJet's usual 1 hour flight delays, which is pretty much standard these days. So last night we got out quite late, and today's actually been really nice. It's been like 20 degrees, although it looks really grim, grey and horrible here. It's still nice and warm though, certainly compared to the UK. So tonight we're just heading over to the Torreviejas and Florida, and we're meeting up with a few people in Chaveza, Florida, which is now, I'm pretty certain it's Nara Magnini, which is a bit of a chain of pubs out here. And from there we're all going for dinner down into the Great Greek. Obviously we all know we love the Great Greek because we're always in there, and quite a lot of other people are going there as well. So we're meeting Brits living in Spain, so Bob, Helen and Andy, of course, and then Get Me to Spain, which is Neil and Sue. So Get Me to Spain's another sort of relatively newish channel, but obviously another up and coming one in the area. I think they're actually based up in Casada, so a little bit further away. So we'll head down there and see what's going on.
Go on, babe, you sit there.
Just to wind you up. Arguments over
Please come high. It weren't recording that, but you're going to watch it flashing red light.
I don't know about having frozen glasses in this weather.
I think that is ours.
There's no mod here, Rob.
Bob is right.
One more over the way.
Yes, please.
You what? Yeah. What? They're making bacon salmon. Right, hi everyone. It's the 23rd of February today, and it's carnival season down in Torrevieja, so we're just heading down into town to see if we can find where the carnival is and where it's going to start. Now we know roughly what road it's on, but exactly where it's going to start from we're not entirely sure yet.
I wanna kiss you
Right, so today we've come down onto the beachfront in Torrevieja. Lovely sunny day, really nice here again today, probably about 20 odd degrees here. But what we're going to do, we're going to actually do the really touristy thing and get on the tourist train. So So 24th of February today. It's not too bad, it's a little bit breezy actually, which is a bit of a problem, so I don't know if I'm going to get the drone up. But we've come up to Santa Pola, where the lighthouse is. Hopefully you should see it over the back there somewhere. For a wander around, and there's a big like air bridgey bit that you can walk out across, and I thought it'd be really cool to get the drone up here, but I'm not sure if we're going to be able to. Right, so tonight we've just come back from the Marina bar out. We're in the habanero section up at the top where all the food court is. So we thought, because we've like eaten a bit in the Marina bar, not really sure what we want to do to eat, so we thought we'd come over and we're going to try the lazarin. So we've come for some tapas. Right, so today we've come down the M332 towards Pila de la Horadada, and we are heading to the Rio del Seco, which is basically a drived up riverbed. Now there's a couple of walks which take you through all the sort of limestone bits where the river's been carved out. Right, so this evening, it's the 27th today, by the way, 27th of February. So this evening, we're back over in Altos del Liminar, and we're currently just either going to go to either the Shannon Bar or Concerto. So if the Shannon Bar, the pool table's free, we'll go in and I'll beat Sarah at pool again. If not, we're just probably going to Concerto and have a beer beforehand. And then once we've done that, we're going to head into Dave's place for dinner. They come in the bar.